Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the Slack workspace not showing problem in 2026. Many users open Slack and suddenly see no workspace, missing channels, or a blank screen where their workspace should load. First, let's understand why this happens. Slack workspace not showing issues are usually caused by sync problems, account sign-in errors, cache corruption, or network restrictions. This is a common PC issue. Step 1. Check if you are logged into the correct email. Slack workspaces are linked to specific email addresses. Logging in with a different email will show no workspace. Step 2. Restart Slack completely. Exit Slack from the system tray, not just the window. Reopening it refreshes workspace data from Slack servers. Step 3. Sign out and sign back in. This resets account syncing. Many workspace loading problems get fixed instantly by re-signing in. Step 4. Clear Slack cache. Corrupted cache files can prevent workspaces from loading. Closing Slack and clearing its cache folder helps restore missing data. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy temporarily. VPNs can block Slack connections. Turning them off allows Slack to load workspaces properly. If the issue still continues, update or reinstall Slack. Outdated or broken app files may cause blank workspaces. A fresh install often solves it. So yeah, Slack workspace not showing problems usually come from login errors, cache issues, VPN interference, or outdated versions. Follow these steps and your workspace should appear normally again. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.